So went to set it up, and the pin came out. I don't even know where this for that side went, but as you can see, disconnected from the strap. I immediately fell backwards and trying to get out. So this literally just tried to sit down on it, and it's not secure, it's not stable, and I'm just honestly really disappointed.
As you can see right here, how flimsy that is. I rebent it, thinking that's what it needed. Set down. This is bent, can't get it to come back down. Over here, same thing. I bent it to hold it, and it still came loose. And you could see the legs bent as soon as I sat down.
Barely opened the package, put my chair together, and went to test it out and sit. And this right here, they both bent and it broke. Very cheaply made, disappointed for the price I paid.
Softball nights in my amazing KingCamp chair. It's on my Amazon storefront. Rock it in my hammock. Oh, I don't need a push. I don't need a push.
All right, good.
Takes 2 seconds to set up. I did it with one hand today because my other hand was full. KingCamp.
Run!
Go! Welcome.
Easy.
Jaded.
Coochie, coochie, coo.
Huh?
No, Arabelle, you're probably being mean.
JJ!